Alright, so what I'm going to be doing today is there is a hairline crack in this young man's 725 Citori, and it's a competition gun, so he's going to need it repaired. So what I'm going to do is fill it with some acraglas epoxy after wedging it open and then letting it cure. I've already marked the orientation of his spacer pad, that way he can get back on to where he had it before. Go ahead and yank this thing out of here. You can see it here. You're going to have to spread it open a little bit in order to spray that up in there using air. Okay. Alright, so what I'm going to do now is use these wedges. I'm going to use this shim stock as a wedge.
No, thank you. Have a good day.
Okay. Looks like it's about the best we're going to be able to do. So we'll have to work with that. Alright, now we're going to mix up some acraglas. Alright, you mix up acraglas in a 4-to-1 ratio. So 4 drops of epoxy to 1 drop of hardener. And we're going to color it with a little bit of brown dye to help conceal the crack. Alright, it's 20 drops. You get 5 drops of hardener. And you don't need much dye. This stuff just get just a little bit. Alright. Now, let's get ready to fill that void. Alright, time to fill it. And use some compressed air to get it up in there, get it inside the crack. Okay. 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 Try a little bit more. And what you want to see is it bleed out once you put a clamp on it and vise it together. Alright. Toothbrush to get it out of the checkering. Don't want that. Alright. Alright, let's put a clamp on it. Okay. Okay. Yeah, we're going to need another clamp. Okay, put one more clamp on it. Clean up a little bit. Just clean up any residual acraglas. Okay. And a good thing to do whenever you're clamping this stuff in a section like this where it can crush and break, use a little wood block or a little shim of some type. You're going to want it to be wood, obviously. That looks good right there. And after you do your acraglas repair, you're going to want to come back about 15 minutes later to check if it bled out anywhere. And obviously wherever it bleeds out, you're going to want to clean it up before it hardens and cures. All right, now we just need to set this thing up, let it cure, hit it tomorrow. All right, let's see how this repair looks. Oh yeah, much better. You can't even tell where it's split at the grip. All right, put this thing back together.